Jiangsu Catchview Machinery Technology Co. Limited is a specialized manufacturer of screen printing machines. As a member of SGIA in China, it has been deeply cultivated in the fields of spot UV varnish coating, silkscreen cold foil stamping, water transfer for high-low temperature wearable and sports equipment, heat transfer label, garment mark and hand-tag printing technology for many years. With its excellent quality and professional service, it is deeply favored by customers at home and abroad. In the development of China's screen printing, we continue to contribute our own strength. Catchview products sell well all over the country, but also exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia and Africa and other regions by the majority of new and old customers, widely praised. In line with the enterprise spirit of integrity, quality, and innovation, Catchview will continue to contribute to the development of screen printing in China.